What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over playing Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.0201, down 0.03 on the day. Sitting market cap of 133 million. 24-hour volume 44.62 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up. Grab up to 8K in bonuses or 30K in bonuses on Bybit. Links are in the comments. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So let's pop into Gala games. So what we're looking for here is to push up in a wave B of the wave 3, and the ending diagonal is a ABC. So potentially we could already be looking at the completion of the wave A and wave B, because a wave B is a 3-wave move. So we came up in a 5-wave impulse and a wave A. This is a 3-wave pullback and a wave B. And you'd be looking to push up in a 5-wave impulse into a wave C. Just quickly change this up here. So potentially, micro counting can be inaccurate. Could be looking at a wave 1. That's a wave 2 pullback. And then you would look up to push up in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To complete that wave B, and then you would see a rejection and you would come down in a wave C to complete the wave 3. That's what I'm looking at here for the price of Gala games. Until we were to come up and break, basically come up and break this previous high, then this is the wave count that I'm focused on at the moment. Now there's always the chance that the wave A is just getting started, where this would be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and that would be your completion of your wave A. You would see a 3-wave move, pull back into a wave B, and you would push up in a wave C, which would complete the larger wave B before coming down in a wave C. That's an alternative count. I don't think it's as likely as the first 2 waves already being complete here, where we push up in a wave A, wave B, and you're looking to complete the wave C of the larger wave B before coming down, in my opinion. Now, I do think that there's a good chance we do see continuation to the upside, as we have strong bullish divergence on the hourly as well as the 4-hour. As you can see, we're creating lower lows, higher lows on the RSI as well as the money flow, which signifies that the bears are running out of strength. So I definitely think you could see a nice push up to that resistance, 0.222, and quite possibly retest this previous level of support as resistance at 0.023 before seeing continuation to the downside. If we do just continue to break down and we create a lower low, all it means is this 5-wave move in yellow isn't complete yet, but I do think there's a good chance to see a bounce in the short term. All right, guys, make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Smash the sign up to Bitget. Grab up to 8K in bonuses. It only takes 2 seconds. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to signals analysis. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.